Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Easy English Learning podcast. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world right now.
Whether you are at home, on the bus, or cooking in the kitchen, welcome. You can listen to us anywhere and still be learning English.
Today's episode is very special, especially for beginners.
That means you don't need a notebook right now, you don't need to open a grammar book.
Just relax and listen carefully. That is your only job today.
And trust me, just listening, your brain is already doing a lot of work.
Exactly. Listening is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English.
And don't worry if you don't understand every word. That's completely normal for beginners.
Understanding 60 or 70% of what you hear is actually very good progress.
When I first started learning English, I didn't understand everything either.
Really? I thought you were always confident about English.
Oh no, not at all. I was very shy, extremely shy, actually.
You? Shy? That is hard to believe.
Hey, it's completely true. I was scared to even open my mouth and speak English.
What were you afraid of?
I was afraid of making mistakes. I thought people would laugh at me.
Did they ever laugh?
No, actually no one laughed. It was all just in my mind.
That happens to so many learners around the world. Fear stops more people than grammar ever does.
So what helped me improve? Listening. Simple, consistent, daily listening. That was my secret.
Did you understand everything in the beginning?
Not at all. Maybe 40 or 50%, but I decided to trust the process.
And something changed?
Yes. Week by week, I started understanding more and more. I listened while cooking, while cleaning, even before sleeping.
That is real dedication. And the great thing is, it didn't even feel like studying.
Exactly. When learning feels enjoyable, you do it more often. And the more you do it, the faster you improve.
Let's explain something important. When you were a child, how did you learn your first language?
I learned by listening to my parents and the people around me.
Did you study grammar rules as a baby?
Of course not.
Exactly. You listened again and again, thousands of times. Then you started speaking naturally.
The same method works for English. Listening builds your foundation. Speaking becomes easier after that.
So if you feel like you cannot speak yet, don't worry. Keep building your listening base first.
Let's now practice some simple daily routine sentences. These are sentences you can use every single day.
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I drink coffee for breakfast.
Too much coffee is not good.
Hey, I need energy. After breakfast, I go to work.
I start my work at 9 o'clock. I eat lunch at 1 in the afternoon.
In the evening, I come home and relax.
Now, listeners, repeat these sentences quietly in your mind.
Repetition is the key to memory. The more you hear something, the more natural it feels.
Let's talk about common beginner mistakes. One very common mistake is trying to translate every single word.
When you translate everything, your brain slows down and listening becomes very tiring.
Instead, focus on the general meaning. Ask yourself, what is this conversation about?
Another mistake is wanting fast results. Many people want to speak fluently after 1 week.
But language learning is not a sprint. It is a long, beautiful journey. Be patient with yourself.
Small progress every day adds up to big progress over time.
Let's tell a short story. Stories are a wonderful way to learn vocabulary.
Yesterday, I went to the supermarket after work. I needed to buy a few things for dinner.
He picked up a basket and walked through the aisles.
I bought apples, bananas, milk, and some bread.
When he was ready to pay, he walked to the cashier.
The cashier smiled and said, "Have a nice day."
He smiled back and said, "You too." He felt happy when he walked out.
Did you understand that story? Stories help you remember new words better than lists.
Because you see the word being used in a real situation, that is called context.
I want to share a funny mistake I made when I was learning English.
Oh, I love these stories. What happened?
Someone asked me if I was having fun at a party, and I said, "No, I am boring."
Oh, that means you are a boring person, not that you feel bored.
I know. I wanted to say, "I am bored." Big difference.
So remember, everyone, I am bored means you feel no interest. I am boring means you make other people bored.
English can be funny sometimes, but mistakes help us learn. Every mistake is a lesson.
Let's practice some common question forms. Questions are very important in real conversation.
What is your name? Where do you live?
What do you do for work? Why are you learning English?
Try answering each question in your mind right now. Really try. Form the sentence in your head.
Speaking in your mind is also real practice. It activates your brain.
Many learners say, "I understand English, but I cannot speak it."
This usually means they need more active practice, not just passive listening.
Answer questions in your head. Describe what you see around you in English. Talk to yourself.
It might feel strange at first, but it works beautifully.
Let's talk about hobbies. Everyone has them, so this topic is easy to talk about.
I like reading books and listening to music when I want to relax.
I enjoy playing football with friends and watching documentaries about history.
What do you do in your free time? This is one of the most common questions in English conversation.
You can answer simply, "In my free time, I enjoy reading and listening to podcasts."
Simple English is good English. Clear communication is always the goal.
Let's talk about confidence. Confidence grows with practice. There is no shortcut.
The more you listen, the more comfortable English feels. It stops feeling scary and becomes familiar.
Did you ever want to quit learning English completely?
Yes, one time. I made the mistake of comparing myself to fluent speakers online.
And that comparison made you feel terrible.
I felt slow. I felt like I had no talent for languages.
But here is the truth. Those fluent speakers also started as complete beginners.
Every expert was once a beginner. Comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20 is not fair to yourself.
When I realized this, everything changed for me.
Now I only compare myself to who I was last month or last year. That is the healthiest mindset.
Let's do a quick listening challenge. Listen carefully.
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning, but today I woke up at 9 because I slept very late last night.
Did you catch the different tenses? Usually shows habit. Woke up is past tense. Because gives the reason.
Listening helps you notice these grammar patterns naturally, without memorizing rules from a textbook.
Your brain picks them up through repeated exposure. That is the beauty of this method.
Before we finish, Close your eyes if you can. Take a slow, deep breath.
Imagine you are sitting in a beautiful, quiet park. The sun is shining. Birds are singing.
You feel calm and happy. Think about how far you have already come.
You chose to spend your time learning. That is a powerful choice.
You are improving step by step, day by day, slowly but surely.
Be proud of yourself for showing up today.
You are learning, you are growing, and you are not alone in this journey.
Thank you so much for listening today. It means the world to us.
Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Repetition builds fluency.
Keep listening every day. Keep practicing even for just 10 minutes.
And never, ever give up on yourself.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. We are cheering for you.